cotton flowers. For the spiral cotton flowers, you will need glue, glitter and cotton. First, take the cotton and roll it between your palms so that it looks like a thread. Apply glue and paste the thread-shaped cotton spirally on the flower. Do the same with other parts of the flower. Apply glitter and decorate it. Here, you have your spiral cotton flowers ready.